Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix back button not showing on the Oppo A5x. Now, if the navigation buttons are not showing on your Oppo phone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on system and update. From here, just go to system navigation, and if it is on gestures, just select buttons. And from here, you will be able to fix this issue. If this did not fix your issue, just go back and tap on backup and reset. From here, just tap on reset phone and select reset all settings. Then select reset. Now this problem might be caused because of a setting which you have enabled on your Oppo phone. By doing this step, you will reset all the settings on your Oppo phone, and this option will not delete any data on your Oppo phone. And this is how you can fix the back button not showing on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.